Welcome to our ultimate guide on nutrition during pregnancy. Whether you're in your first trimester or nearing the big day, we'll walk you through each trimester's dietary needs to support you and your baby's health. Let's get started. Nutrition basics in pregnancy. During pregnancy, your body's nutritional needs change as your baby grows. It's essential to eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and of course, stay well hydrated. Key nutrients include folic acid, calcium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. And remember, while cravings are normal, focus on nourishing foods to fuel you and your baby. First trimester nutritional goals. In the first trimester, the goal is to support early development. While you might not feel very hungry due to nausea, try to focus on nutrient-dense foods. Key nutrients. Folic acid is crucial for your baby's neural development, so include leafy greens, lentils, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B6 found in bananas, nuts, and oats can help with nausea. Iron is also essential, as it supports your increased blood volume. Iron-rich foods include lean meats, beans, and spinach. Recommended foods. To combat nausea, try small, frequent meals throughout the day. Think Greek yogurt with fruit, whole grain toast with avocado, and nuts for easy snacking foods to avoid. In the first trimester, avoid raw fish, high-mercury fish like tuna, unpasteurized cheeses, and deli meats to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Also, limit caffeine intake to about 1 small cup of coffee a day. Second trimester nutritional goals. The second trimester is all about supporting rapid growth. As your baby grows, you may feel hungrier, so let's fuel that growth with the right foods. Key nutrients. Calcium is essential for your baby's bones and teeth. Include dairy, fortified plant milks, leafy greens, and tofu in your meals. Vitamin D, which you can get from eggs and sunlight, also supports bone health. Don't forget omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, which are crucial for your baby's brain development. Recommended foods. Aim for balanced meals with plenty of colorful veggies, grains, and lean proteins like chicken and beans. A great example might be grilled salmon with quinoa and roasted veggies. Foods to avoid. While cravings might increase, try to avoid foods high in sodium and sugar, which can contribute to swelling and blood sugar spikes. Limit sugary snacks, artificial sweeteners, and keep caffeine moderate. Third trimester nutritional goals. In the third trimester, energy needs increase even more as your baby gains weight. It's important to eat enough, but also to choose high-quality foods that will give you sustained energy. Key nutrients. Fiber is important now to help with digestion as it can slow down in later pregnancy. Include oats, whole grains, and berries. Vitamin K found in leafy greens and broccoli is essential for blood clotting. Recommended foods. Try eating smaller, nutrient-packed meals and snacks. Think apple slices with almond butter, cottage cheese with fruit, and hummus with carrot sticks. These will keep you fueled and help with any lingering nausea or heartburn. Foods to avoid. Avoid greasy, spicy foods that may worsen heartburn. Also, continue to avoid alcohol, high caffeine drinks, and raw or undercooked foods. Overall tips for a healthy pregnancy diet. Staying hydrated is key, so aim for about 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eating a variety of foods will ensure you get a broad range of nutrients. Listen to your body and enjoy this special time while keeping you and your baby nourished. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, each trimester brings new nutritional needs, so focus on balanced meals and enjoy nourishing yourself and your baby. Wishing you a happy and healthy pregnancy.